Stop scrolling if you love dogs but hate allergies. Yes, you can have both. Number 3. Bichon Frise. Looks like a marshmallow, acts like a main character, barely sheds, somehow still dramatic. Number 2. Portuguese water dog. Athletic, smart, and literally Obama-proof. This dog swims, runs, and still keeps the sneezes away. Number 1. Standard Poodle. Before you judge, this is basically a genius athlete in a fluffy body, low shedding, high IQ, zero dust vibes, allergy safe and cute. Pick a winner, comment your number, hit follow for more dog facts, and send this to your friend who wants a dog but keeps sneezing.